Dreaming of your next getaway, but worried about the price tag of the flight? You're not alone. We all want to stretch our travel dollars further, and finding affordable flights can make a big difference in your travel budget. Whether you're planning an exotic escape or a quick weekend trip, these insider tricks from seasoned travel experts will have you jet off without breaking the bank. Buckle up as we soar into 15 savvy strategies to help you score the best deals in the sky. Navigating the world of budget travel. Jet setting without emptying your wallet? Yep, it's possible, and we're here to share the scoop. Affordable flights are the golden ticket to enjoying trips without maxing out that credit card. Stick around, and we'll show you how to spot those pocket-friendly flights that make travel dreams come true. Understanding the importance of affordable flights. Cheap flights are all about possibilities. Each dollar you don't spend in the skies is a dollar you get to use on things like tasting new foods, resting in quirky lodgings, or going on thrilling adventures. For all you thrift-minded explorers, especially students and budding professionals, controlling flight costs can really amp up how often and how awesome your travels can get. Here's a quick peek at how airfare fits into the whole travel budget picture. Airfare often gobbles up a giant piece of your budget pie. Squashing this expense can free up cash to level up your travels. Finding budget-friendly flights? It's like a game, except you can actually win. First, keep your travel dates flexible. Use comparison tools to peek at prices across a whole series of dates. For more cool hacks, don't miss our article on budget travel moves. Price drop alerts? Oh yes, just set them up to get the lowdown on falling fares. Zero in on where you want to go and what's important to you, so you only get updates that matter. Turbocharge your search with these handy tips. Use incognito mode to fly under the radar. No cookies tracking you means prices stay stable. Compare multiple sites to catch various deals and offers. Be flexible with locations to look at flying out of nearby airports for some sneaky savings. Stay clever and keep an eye on those price tags, and you'll snag the right flight. Finding sweet deals on flights is all about striking at the right moment. When you decide to book can seriously change how much cash you end up dishing out. Picking the perfect day to snag your flight can mean some hefty savings. Research shows that midweek days tend to have the juiciest prices. Tuesday and Wednesday are your buddies here, as airlines like to drop their fares early in the week. Be the savvy shopper who gets the jump on these deals. Flying during less busy times can save you a bundle. Prices dance around depending on how crowded the skies are, so finding those rare, quiet days can mean scoring a steal on your tickets. Snagging a seat in off-peak months usually means a fatter wallet, as airlines scramble to fill up their planes. Scoring a sweet deal on flights means being flexible with your travel plans. It's not always about what you know. They're about where you go. Thinking beyond the usual hustle and bustle of big airports can seriously cut your travel costs. Smaller, lesser-known airports might be out of the spotlight, but they can save you a pretty penny. Red-eye flights aren't just for night owls. They're a goldmine for anyone wanting to save cash. These late-night takeoffs can pick up the slack on your wallet as they're less in demand. If you pick a red-eye, make a plan to grab some shut-eye en route. You'll want to hit the ground running, not yawning. Using fare comparison tools. If you're not already using fare comparison tools, you're probably paying too much. These websites and apps make it a breeze to scope out ticket prices from a bunch of airlines all in one spot. Beyond those trusty comparison tools, there lies a hidden land of secret deals orbited by frequent flyers and penny pinchers. Sign up for newsletters or keep an eye on airlines' social media feeds for hush-hush flash sales and spontaneous offers. When you're sorting out travel plans, loyalty programs can be your secret weapon to saving big bucks on trips. So, grab your bags, set those price alerts, and keep your eyes peeled for error fares. Adventure awaits, and it doesn't care about your budget.